In projection of planes, question number 4, page number 7, draw the projections of a circle of 50 mm diameter having its plane vertical, inclined 32 HP, its center is 30 mm above the HP, 20 mm in front of the VP, so also it traces. So circle. So once in the problem the circle is there, automatically the circle is converted into ellipse. Please remember that. That's why here the plane is vertical, nothing but the circle is perpendicular to HP. Once this is perpendicular to HP, first you want to draw front view. Why? Because front view gives the true shape. That's why front view gives the true shape means circle. So draw front view, the circle. So that's why this is question number 4. First you want to draw, so XY line. This is XY line. Plus circle center is 30 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. That's why first you want to allocate 30 mm above HP. So this is center, 20 mm in front of VP. So here, so this is the center means front view of center O dash, top view of center A O. So top view of center is O, front view of center is O dash. But circle diameter is 50, that's why take radius 2.5. 2.5. Then this is the center. First to draw the circle. Now once you want to draw the circle, divide the circle into 8 parts or 12 parts. So here draw vertical line, horizontal line and draw vertical line. Suppose you want to go 8 parts. 8 parts means simply you want to take half section 45. Section 45. Then you got 4 parts. Now you want to draw here. The circle is divided into 8 parts. So circle is divided into 8 parts. So circle you want to make thick. Why? Because circumference, this is the front view. You want to make thick here. So suppose this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. See, having its plane is vertical, inclined to HP, it is center is 30 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. So circle center is here means automatically you want to draw top view here only. That's why just to draw right line. Then you want to extend the projectors up to touch the top view. So base to single line. This is the line already there. These 2 points single line in the line. Now you want to make thick here. So this is the front view. So this is 1, this is 2, 8. Why? Because 2 and 8 same line. Next 3, 7, O. 3, 7, O same line are there. 4 and 6. Why? Because 4 and 6 on the same line. This is 5. So here this distance is 30. They given that. Why? Because circle is 30 mm above HP and center is 20 mm in front of VP. So this is 20, that is 30. Suppose this is the diameter. So that's why indicate the diameter. Go with inclination line and ladder line. So this is the foot arrow marks here and here also. So pi 50. So this is the front view, this is the top view. But he said that inclined 30 degrees to VP. So that's why here give some gap. First you want to draw 30 degrees inclination. Give some gap, put the point. At that point, at 30 degrees inclination, 30, why? Because 32 VP inclination. First draw a line. So this is 30 degrees inclination. But here, why? Because in this condition is circle center 20 millimeter in front of V always here. That's why here first put the center here only. Center is here only. Here total is 50. So total is 50. So that's why 2.5 under 2.5 here. See, remember that. Why? Because this is the center. Sorry, this is the center. 2.5 under 2.5. 2.5 left, 2.5 right. So total, see the top view is inclined here in this way. Why? Because once you want to take here, this is also 30 degrees. Why? Because condition is circle center is always you want to maintain 20 here. That's why here also circle center 20 you want to maintain. That's why in the same way you want to draw here. After that, by using compass, here what is the distances of this here you want to maintain. Here also maintain. So that's why this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and similarly this is O. Once completion of this top view, then draw projectors toward the front view. Draw vertical projectors through 1, through 2, through 3, through 4, through 5. Next, in this way, you want to draw horizontal projectors through 3, through 2, 4, single line, 2, 4, 1, 7, 1, 5, same single line, and 6, 8, and 7. So once draw the projectors, then 1 and 1 where they intersect each other, this is the point 1, 2 and 2, so this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Once you want to get the points, then you want to join them with a curvature. Don't draw lines. Why? Because this is the curvature. Just you want to draw the curvature. This is the ellipse. You want to got it. So that's why you want to draw in this way. Join these numbers. You want to get the ellipse. So this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, and this is O dash. So here once you want to cross check it, here circle 50 millimeter diameter is there, plane is vertical, inclined 32 VP, inclined 30 degrees to VP, its center is 30 millimeter above HP, condition is satisfied, 20 millimeter in front of VP, 20 in front of VP, same 20 in front of VP center, condition is satisfied. So these are the projections, both are thick, front view is thick and top view is thick. So its traces. So its traces means once you want to extend the front view, it cuts like a line. Then you want to extend verticals. Then here, so total top view, it indicates HT. Indicates HT. Why? Because HT is always lies upon top view. Once you want to extend the front view, it cuts here. It cuts here. From here, draw vertical line. Draw vertical line here towards front view. You want to extend the front view. So how much size of front view is there? So this line is called as VD. This line is VD. But don't touch XY line. What is the size of the ellipse is there? Same size of the line that indicates VD. This is HT. In this way you want to draw HT and